In this video, we will talk about inheritance in Python. So in any object-oriented programming language, there is the concept of inheritance using which we can inherit the properties of the parent class in a child class. Okay, so for that you need to understand what is a parent class, what is a child class. So let me explain you. Okay, so here I am creating a class, let's say fruit. Okay, so here I'm creating a class fruit, and inside this class I am just defining a init function init, and then self as the first positional argument, and then here I am just writing a print statement, I am a fruit. Okay, and now I am creating another class, let's say class mango, def init self. Here also I am creating a init function, and here I am printing I am a mango. Okay, now let me just create objects for both of these classes. obg1 is equal to fruit and obg2 is equal to mango. Okay, let's run it. So I am a fruit, this is printed from here whenever we create the object for the fruit class. Okay, and whenever we create the object for the mango class, this statement is printed, I am a mango. Now you see, mango is a type of fruit. Okay, this is something that we can correlate with parent-child relationship. Fruit is the parent of mango, and similarly I can create other fruit classes as well. So let me do something here to make mango a child class, right, that inherit the properties of fruit function. I can do like this, mango, then parenthesis, and then within that I have to write the name of the parent class, that is fruit. Now this mango is the child class that belongs to the parent fruit. This is called inheritance. Okay, and now here inside it I am just writing a pass statement and nothing else. Okay, now let me create the object for the mango class. Okay, I am creating the object for the child class. Let's say obg1 is equal to mango. So you see, there is nothing inside the mango class, and let's see what happens. So you see, I call the class mango and created an object obg1 for it. See, I am a fruit is printed from the fruit class, although I have created the object of the mango class, which is a child class, but the print statement which is in the initialize function, or you can say init function of the fruit class, which is the parent class, is being printed here on the screen. That means the mango class now inherits all the properties of the class fruit. Okay, so if I will not write fruit here, let's see what it prints. It prints nothing, because this function is now not inheriting the properties of the parent class fruit. But if I will write fruit here, it will now inherit all of the properties from the class fruit. So this is the concept of inheritance. You can also write an init function here. Okay, let me write here mango, mango, and mango. Okay, let me just write here. Now let's run it. You see, now this init function overrides the init function of the parent class. Okay, so you can do like this. So if I want to have the same init function as fruit, what can I do? I can also do like this, fruit dot, okay, fruit dot underscore init, and then like this, and then self. Okay, then run it. You see, now it prints I am a fruit. Okay, now it prints I am a fruit. So if I am using the name of the parent class here, fruit, then I have to specify self inside init. Okay, but if I do not want to specify self here, what can I do is I can use the super method here. Now it will completely inherit the init function of the class fruit. You can see I am a fruit. Okay, but if you do not use super method, then you can use the name, and then you have to specify here this thing. Okay, self. I add one more argument here, let's say self, and let's say color. Okay, I specify the color argument here, and now I also print another statement here, my color is color. Okay, So here I have written a f string. Okay, and now let me run this. So now you see it says I am a fruit. Now my color is yellow. Now this my color is yellow is used from here, from the child class, while the function init from the parent class is also used to print I am a fruit. And similarly, a lot of more things can be done with the help of inheritance. You can create some of the methods in the parent class. You can define some other methods, or can override the existing methods of the parent class in the child class. So a lot of things can be done with the help of inheritance.